Why Mars is the next human frontier. For centuries, humans have gazed up at the night sky, wondering if life could exist beyond Earth and whether we could one day walk on another world. Among all the planets in our solar system, Mars stands out as the most likely destination for human exploration and potential colonization. Known as the Red Planet because of its distinctive reddish appearance caused by iron oxide, or rust, on its surface, Mars has captivated the imagination of scientists, astronauts, and dreamers alike. Unlike other planets that are too hot, too cold, or too hostile, Mars offers a combination of challenges and possibilities that make it humanity's next frontier. One of the main reasons Mars is considered a realistic target for human exploration is its similarity to Earth. While the planet is far from perfect, it shares several critical features that make it more approachable than others such as Mercury or Venus. For instance, a day on Mars, referred to as a sol, lasts approximately 24 hours and 37 minutes, which is very close to an Earth day. This similarity in day length would help humans adjust to the planet's rhythm without facing extreme circadian disruption. Mars also has seasons because of its tilted axis, much like Earth. These seasons affect temperature, weather patterns, and even the visibility of polar ice caps, offering a rhythm that could help humans adapt over long periods. The Red Planet also has mountains, valleys, and vast plains, creating a diverse landscape that is both challenging and scientifically fascinating to explore. Another significant factor making Mars a candidate for human settlement is the presence of water. While Mars does not have oceans like Earth, there is strong evidence that water exists in various forms. Large amounts of ice have been discovered at the polar regions, and subsurface ice may exist even closer to the equator. Some studies suggest that liquid water may exist deep underground, maintained by heat from the planet's interior. The existence of water is crucial for human survival. It can be used for drinking, growing food, producing oxygen, and even generating fuel through chemical processes. Missions such as the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter and the Perseverance rover have been instrumental in identifying water sources, mapping ice deposits, and assessing the potential for future human use. Being able to utilize local water resources would significantly reduce the need to transport vast quantities of water from Earth, making long-term missions more feasible. Mars also has a thin atmosphere composed primarily of carbon dioxide. While this atmosphere is not breathable, it offers possibilities for resource utilization. Scientists are developing methods to convert carbon dioxide into oxygen through chemical processes. This technology, often referred to as in situ resource utilization, would allow astronauts to produce essential life support materials on the planet itself. By creating oxygen locally, future explorers could reduce dependency on Earth-based supply missions, making life on Mars more sustainable. Gravity is another aspect of Mars that attracts human attention. Mars has about 1/3 of Earth's gravity, which could make it easier to move heavy objects, construct habitats, and perform other physically demanding tasks. However, long-term exposure to lower gravity also presents health challenges. Reduced gravity can weaken bones and muscles, affect circulation, and alter human physiology. Scientists continue to study these effects to determine how best to prepare astronauts for extended stays and to develop strategies to maintain their health in this different environment. One of the most compelling reasons to explore Mars is the possibility that life once existed there. Billions of years ago, Mars may have had a thicker atmosphere, warmer temperatures, and liquid water on its surface. These conditions could have supported simple microbial life. If evidence of past life is discovered, it would be one of the most significant scientific findings in human history. Current missions, such as the Perseverance rover, are actively searching for signs of ancient life by examining rocks, soil, and other surface features. Samples collected may one day be returned to Earth for detailed laboratory analysis, offering insights into the history of Mars and the potential for life elsewhere in the universe. Mars is also a stepping stone for broader space exploration. Learning how to survive and thrive on another planet would prepare humans for journeys to other planets, moons, and even distant solar systems. It offers a testing ground for new technologies, including sustainable life support systems, renewable energy solutions, advanced spacecraft, and innovative construction techniques. Lessons learned from Mars missions could directly benefit Earth, helping improve climate monitoring, resource management, and even disaster response technologies. The long-term survival of humanity is another driving factor. Earth is our only home, but it faces challenges such as climate change, natural disasters, and the possibility of global catastrophic events. Establishing a human presence on Mars could serve as a safeguard, ensuring that humanity survives even if Earth becomes uninhabitable due to natural or human-caused events. This concept of a multi-planetary civilization has been championed by organizations such as SpaceX and its founder Elon Musk, who envision humans building sustainable colonies on Mars as a backup for civilization. Despite its potential, Mars remains an incredibly challenging place to live. Average surface temperatures hover around -60 degrees Celsius, and radiation levels are far higher than on Earth because the planet lacks a protective magnetic field and thick atmosphere. Dust storms can engulf the entire planet and last for weeks or months, making solar power less reliable and creating hazards for both humans and equipment. These extreme conditions require advanced technologies, careful planning, and robust systems to ensure the safety of astronauts. To overcome these challenges, scientists and engineers are developing innovative solutions. Habitats may be built underground or covered with Martian soil to shield against radiation. Life support systems will need to recycle air and water efficiently, and energy sources such as nuclear or advanced solar power will be crucial. Space suits, tools, and robotics must be designed to function reliably in extreme cold and dust storms. International cooperation between agencies like NASA, European Space Agency, and private companies will be key in pooling resources, knowledge, and technology to make human exploration of Mars possible. Traveling to Mars itself is a major undertaking. The journey takes several months, and astronauts must remain in confined spaces for long periods while maintaining mental and physical health. Life support systems on spacecraft need to be reliable, and crew members must be trained to handle emergencies far from Earth. Every aspect of such missions must be carefully planned, from launch windows to entry, descent, and landing procedures on the Martian surface. Mars represents more than just a physical destination. It symbolizes human curiosity, ingenuity, and the desire to explore the unknown. It is a challenge that pushes the limits of science, engineering, and human endurance. By reaching Mars, humans will not only expand our presence in the solar system but also gain a deeper understanding of planetary evolution, climate, and the possibilities of life beyond Earth. In conclusion, Mars is considered the next human frontier because it combines opportunity with challenge. Its similarities to Earth, the potential for water resources, the search for past life, and the possibility of expanding humanity into space make it the most realistic target for human exploration. While it is not as hospitable as Earth, it offers a place where humans can test their ingenuity, adapt to new conditions, and lay the groundwork for a multi-planetary future. Exploring Mars is not merely about survival, it is about understanding our place in the universe, preparing for the long-term future of humanity, and continuing the timeless human quest to explore new worlds. If you found this explanation about why Mars is the next human frontier fascinating, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more engaging content about space, science, and the future of humanity.